This girl here has a full crop, so she probably weighs a little bit more. You can kind of see the lump there.
I've worked on some other studies, both banding type studies and other studies, where the scientists are kind of afraid to engage the public because they don't want to be hampered by the public. They don't want the study to be interrupted, so they see it as more of a nuisance to have the public involved. And I always thought that was not a great attitude to have.
3B, right?
How can you tell if it's a female? Just by size and by what band we put on it.
Oh, sloppy.
She's angry now.
It's like, what are you doing to me now?
So if you want to grab, yep, right there, and watch this hand because she can't reach her head down pretty far.
Hey, Aquatch, we're going to be releasing a bird here pretty soon.
Alright,
All right. Hey, let her go if you want.
toss her up in there. Nice job.
I think that's always been important to me, that balance of doing conservation-related research and the long-term monitoring, but getting help from the general public, but also reaching out to them and helping to educate them.
I mean, that's become the most rewarding part of my job, is introducing kids to the Bird Observatory and introducing kids to birds and bird migration. And now, you know, that I have 2 daughters, being able to bring them up there and have them be a part of it.
1, 2, 3.
It's very rewarding, very rewarding, not just with my kids, but with every kid that goes up there. It's taken a front seat for me to the research and the science.
It's definitely grown. I mean, we get well over 1,000 visitors every year now. And I would say a lot of that has to do with, especially Greg, in the early years, spreading the word.
But definitely in the last 10 to 15 years, there's a movement toward nature and nature education and being outside and getting kids outside. And I feel like we, you know, have been a part of that movement all along. Certainly didn't start it, but you know, I've said all along throughout my career that that's very important.
Can I collect your bird ID tags? Thank you. You get to keep your bands all day.
And I see that really snowballing now in education. I see that snowballing in conservation as well, that there's a, you know, a major effort now with groups like Be Outside to get kids outside. We're working to expand our operations within a year or two to a site along the Boise River. A perfect place to study, you know, migratory birds, study and monitor their populations and involve the public. And we figure that we can, you know, increase our exposure to the public tenfold or more.